chunky vegetable soup. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion, 1 carrot and 1 celery stick. Crush 2 garlic cloves. Chop into bite-sized pieces 4 potatoes, 2 handfuls of beans, 1 zucchini, roughly shed 1 handful of fresh spinach. Puree 5 tomatoes in a blender. Heat a pot over a high heat. Add half a cup of water. Add the onion, celery and carrot. Saute for 2 minutes. Add the pureed tomato. Add the potatoes, the cooked Lima beans. Add 4 cups of vegetable stock. Stir well. Cook until the potatoes have softened, about 10 to 15 minutes. Add the zucchini, the green beans, spinach and parsley. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir well and serve.